outside Lincoln Speedway for the Icebreaker, and it's like 70-some degrees outside.
Sure
How do you feel
is.
about that?
Feels like summer a little bit out here for race day, but February 23rd, we're getting spoiled today. And here we go.
How about you, Chris?
Headed to my first sprint car race. It's February 23rd. Life is good.
There you have it. Life is good.
Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life, and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
So we're at the track, and the gates are already open to the stands, but we're standing in this line because all these people bought season passes and they only have one window.
Season and or is it press too?
How many people are in the press?
They can go in.
We mentioned that tonight's race will be on flow. The races.
What's that beer koozie? Look at that beer koozie, man.
Woo! Standing in a freaking line! Oh, this is fancy. Nasty Nate and I have signed this YouTube shirt. Got Nate down there and me on the side. Are you going to try to collect all the signatures?
Yep. Good luck getting Corey.
I think you could probably get Corey if you ask him real nice.
All right, so just came from the driver's meeting. We drew a 21 tonight. There's 26 cars here, so they're changing the format a little bit from how it was last year, going back to a 3 heat race format, or I should say a 10-car heat race format, which tonight will be 3 heat races. So we're starting 4th in the 3rd heat. 3 will make the redraw, and everybody else will go heads up to the feature. And if there's a B main, they'll go heads up to the B main also. They're going to try some different procedures for pre-staging and keeping the show moving, so it'll be interesting to see how that goes. 26 cars. Yeah, we're getting ready to go. See what happens here. I think we'll be all right.
Just had a mad rush, honey. Sold a ton of merch. So the only people that are really on T-Shirt Alley today are us and the Rack Daddies. The rest is pretty empty. So yeah, good day. Good day. I'll be heading over soon.
All right, so we just did hot laps. I was a little snug out there. The track's not really any cushion, but there could maybe a lot of moisture in the track. We're rolling off actually 2nd in the heat. Somebody scratched, so they're crisscrossing the road, so this was from 3rd to 2nd. We didn't really change much to the car at all yet. I don't think we will because the track seemed pretty fast. The lap times are pretty quick too. So, yeah, what we're gonna do, roll off 2nd, 10 laps, 6 qualified, 3 to the redraw. So basically, we just need to finish in the top 3, make the redraw for the feature. And, big crowd here tonight, so looks good.
Right out, Heather?
Oh, I don't know.
That's my son Logan in there.
Very cool. Hello.
Hey.
I'm Heather.
Logan.
Nice to meet you, Logan. I never did this before.
bridges earlier, and I said, I can't believe the parking lot was packed at 4 o'clock.
That's awesome. Look at the infield. Oh my gosh. Out there.
That's how my dad taught me how to drive, unfortunately.
That's awesome.
Especially down here. Down here wasn't as bad.
Did good, babe.
Feel that good down there.
Really? It did, because he got on you, and then when you ran low, it was like, you pulled it big time.
Like I would go low, I would just sit, have to wait on the car. There's some dry spots.
Yeah.
Lost the third spot on the restart on the last lap. Last lap, wasn't it?
Yeah, it sure was.
Oh shit.
He was watching you. He knew where he could
First
get
race of
you.
the year. I can tell it's the first race. But
I mean, the two guys that passed you already raced a lot this year.
That's true.
Let's just be honest. And they got really super fast motors. And one's your brother.
I gotta change the car a little bit. I gotta work these muscles. I haven't worked in 4 months. It makes a difference.
You have fun?
Yeah, I had fun. I mean, it wasn't terrible. It just off a little bit. That's all. We're in the show, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
That is great.
Guess we'll start 9, 10. We'll start 12.
Doing a good job, Janet.
We're gonna make a couple changes.
Chris Frank, what are you doing? What are you guys doing? It's driving Nate crazy that he can't help right now. I can tell by looking at
Like, when you get promoted and you can't go have any fun anymore. All the younger ones get to do it.
Well, you just got to get better, and then you can help again.
It's going to be be standing around. Anybody wants to come hang out? I like Coors Light, chocolate chip cookies, Kit Sour Patch Kids. Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Up next, Rock Champion North Race Winner. Winner is right.
What the heck is going on there?
Chris is working.
Taking your job. Taking my job. It's always the outlaw tour.
Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 down to 4R. 4R.
Brutus Hill.
Oh, okay. Yep. All right, we're getting ready for the future here. We made some adjustments because the track was drying out more than I thought would be for the heat races. This track's kind of the first race of the year, really smooth. Start at 12th. Since we missed the redraw, we'll be 12th. We're off 12th, so 30 laps. Yeah, we're just gonna try and get up through there and try and get close to the top 5 as we can on fast cars. Guys are doing a good job. I thank everybody for chipping in, helping, and all the fans that bought the merch. Let's go. We're here. Let's do it.
You ready, babe?
I think so.
Services number 44 from Hanover, Dylan Norris.
Another lap? I'm just kidding. You looked really good out there, though.
It was getting better as the race went on.
Yeah, you were getting way faster. Like, Freddie had a hard time passing you. I'm sorry that happened to you, babe. But, I mean...
I don't know. It felt like it dropped the short.
Oh, no.
What's that? On the last line?
Right about the flag saying, like it dropped the cylinder or broke a rocker or something.
I was going to say, you had to run one more lap yet.
Oh, I couldn't.
No, I'm saying.
This is not good.
The longer the race went, the better I got. The track changed too.
Like the last 5 laps, that Freddie, you were pulling like he had nothing.
Is fucking Norris about to spin out or what now?
You hit him.
I mean, I about drove through it. Oh shit.
What does this mean? It's like the first race.
Well, something's broken in the motor.
Can they fix it though?
We'll have another motor.
I know, but like...
We gotta figure out what it is first.
You want the hood off or just leave it on for now? You're not going to look at it here, are you?
No, we're not gonna third party. We're gonna go watch it, clean it up, see what happens.
Yeah, I thought maybe you seen the checker he's gone. I thought, no, you got to go in one more lap.
No, something happened. Maybe a rocker, maybe a valve.
Yeah, it might be minor.
Yeah. Yep. Hi, Heather.
Hey.
You're looking good tonight.
Well, thank you. That's what I like to hear.
Round 2 later.
Phil?
Where you want me to sign it at that it don't mess the shirt up? Right there?
Celebrity over here.
And now you gotta go get Chris.
Corey, what did you write on there?
That's my name.
Let me see. Corey. All right, we got the completed YouTube shirt here. Corey, Bill, Chris, Adams, and everybody else. How do you feel about that?
Good.
You gonna wear it or are you gonna save it?
Both.
All right, so a little wrap up from last night. We did not hit the car wash. It was getting kind of late. I'm ready to go to work. So I'm washing today. What a difference. 70 degrees today. Today it's like 38 and windy and cold. Got everything washed. Got my boots on. Last night went pretty good until the last lap of the race. Something happened to the motor. I had to pull off. And I'm going to finish 11th. Last car on the lead lap. So we're going to work on it tonight. Maybe race tomorrow. If not, it sounds like Sunday is definitely going to be a go at Lincoln. And I want to just say thanks to everybody that came out. Huge crowd. A lot of people came in the pits, visited me, Heather, talked to the crew, signed a bunch of autographs. So appreciate all that. And look forward to seeing everybody this weekend. Like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you think of the car if you were there. How's it look? Look cool? Do you not like it? Tell me what you think. Good, bad, and different. They moved the show along pretty quick last night too, so that was good too. Tell me what you think about that. So here we are, getting ready to go for night number 2. 2023 season's underway. Hard to believe. See ya.
Now that second shift showed up and I'm not doing all the work in here, we'll make a quick Billy Dietrich YouTube video. As you can see from Thursday night's fiasco, there's a little bit of work being done to Wild Bill's car. And it all started on the other side here. What's that on your hand, Bill? What you got? Coming around to take the checkered, Wild Bill broke his U-joint. I think the rest of the parts are in here somewhere. Everything come apart there, and needle bearings came out of it. And it made it seem like it had some motor issues, so got checking on it today, found that. Had the whole motor out of the car to put the new U-joint on, and now he's getting the rear end put back in. Had a snap ring break on the drive shaft, which made it super fun to get out. But now it's all coming back together. It's going good.